Hello folks, we are coming to the exercise 1.6 and this is a part 1 video. Now we are coming to the core of the chapter where we are going to see how we are going to use the concept of set in actual problem solving. And all these concepts are very important because again in several other places we are going to use this concept to solve problems next year also, and even this year we are going to use these concepts to solve the problem. So before we get into the questions that is there in the exercise, we'll just get ourselves familiar with these two rules. One is that N stands for number. Number of elements in A union B. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Otherwise, number of elements in A intersection B is number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A union B. Both ways it works, right? Whatever is helpful to you, we will use that formula and get our problems done. Now let's take the very first problem in the exercise. It says that if x and y are two set such that n of x is 17, n of y is 23 and n of x union y is 38, then find n of x intersection y. Direct application of what this formula says. They give us the given things over here are n of x, they give us n of y, they give us intersection or union. They give us the union. X union y. Let's see what it is. N of x for us it is 17. N of y for us it's 23. And N of x union y it's 38. With this, they ask us to find N of x intersection y. Very clear to us, this formula is there. So let's use the formula. N of x intersection y is N of x plus N of y minus N of x union y. Let's apply this. 17 plus 23 minus 38. 17 plus 23, it is 40 minus 38, 2. N of x intersection y is 2. That's about our first question. Now let's move to the second one. If x and y are two set such that x union y has 18 elements, x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements, how many elements does x intersection y have? Same question, but then it's given in words. Here it was given in numbers. So let's write the given quickly so that we are able to find the answers. Let's find what is n of x. Number of elements in x, they say that it is 8 elements. Number of elements in y, they say is 15. And number of elements in the union is what they say is 18. So they ask us what is the intersection. Again we use the same formula. N of x intersection y by formula is N of x plus N of y minus N of x union y. So by formula N of x for us it's 8. N of y it's 15. And N of x union y it is 18. This we know is 23. 23 minus 18, it will come to 5. So N of x intersection y it is 5. Direct application. You know the formula, we are applying it and getting the answer. In the third question, it's kind of a word problem. So we need to understand the question, we need to do the introduction, then we need to apply the formula. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Now, certain questions over here, you have to use look at certain words that will make you understand whether it is a union or whether it is an intersection. Words like both and etc. they will always indicate intersection. So that will allow you to think as to what is given to us, and that way we can frame the questions. We can frame the steps. Now here, because set is not given, you have to introduce a set. It's your choice. You can use AB or you can use any capital alphabet for indicating your set. Here, because it is a English speaking and Hindi speaking, maybe I will use the set related to that so that we can, it's more easy to get the things done. Hindi speaking people and English speaking people. So let H, E be the set indicating Hindi speaking, Hindi, English. speaking people. Okay, then we can quickly write what is given from the given. Let's write. They give us that the number of people who are speaking Hindi, it is 250. So n of h, it is 250. Then they say that number of people who are speaking English is 200. So that's 200. Then they say there are 400 people, which means we know it's a union. So H union E is 400. They ask us number of people who are speaking both. As I told you, that will indicate the intersection. So we have to find the intersection. So n of H intersection E is n of H by formula n of E minus n of H union E. Since we have these numbers, we will quickly put it 250 plus 200 minus 400. Both this together will come to 450 minus 400. So that is 50. Now this H and E, all this is what we have created. So we cannot leave the answer like that. You have to conclude the answer properly. Let's see what they ask us. How many people speak both English and Hindi? So therefore you can write, therefore 50 people speak both. Both English and Hindi. Let's quickly take the fourth question. In the fourth question, they say that in a set S and T, if S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements and T has 32 elements and S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does S union T have? They're again very direct. So let's write n of S given. It is given to us that n of S has got, they say that the n of S has got 21 elements. N of T has got, number of elements in T, they are 32. And they have also given us the number of elements in the intersection as 11. And they ask us the number of elements in the union. We have learnt it. That n of S union T is n of S plus n of T minus n of S intersection T. So like that, it is 21 plus 32 minus 11. Let's see this. 3 and 5. 53 minus 11 is 42. So number of elements in the union is 42. You may conclude it that how many elements does S union T have? S union T has got 42 elements. Yes. Yeah, that 42 elements. Yes. So that's how we finish this. We don't finish this exercise. So part of the exercise. We further continue with the other questions in the next part. Thank you.